Alright, so I got the Razer Panthera arcade stick now. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. I haven't had a lot of money, and I've been busy doing school and work. So I bought this from Amazon on the pre-owned section, and it said it was in like new condition. So it'll stick around for a while. I can at least show you guys what it's like buying stuff from Amazon on the pre-owned side, and let's see how the condition the stick is in, and hopefully I do get it in like new condition. Save myself a couple dollars. So I pulled out the Amazon box. They have it sticker off, so that's good. That's not gonna get a knife. Let's see what it's like to open this sucker up. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Come on. Alright, we're in business.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. I had to move it to get better lighting. The lighting wasn't good. Alright, so I got this open. Let's go. See what it's like on the inside. So far, already looking good. It looks clean. The outside box, it looked like it's been maybe moved around, pushed around, but it doesn't look like anything serious happened to it. I guess I can keep it if I want to. I probably will, to be honest with you guys. Alright. The moment of truth. Alright, just keeping the promise. It said like new. It still look new to me. If I bought it brand new, so far, I probably would have thought that I got a brand new stick. So let's see. Alright, so this is the inside of it look like. Have a little instruction manual. And this is it. Welcome to Razer. This is in like new condition, so it should be like you're buying a brand new stick. So I'm guessing maybe someone bought it, didn't like it, and just returned it. This is what everything looked like. It looked like it had not even been open on the back end. Yeah. Alright, so let's see.
Nice.
Okay, so I'm almost 200% sure this stick had never been used by a person. Look, this stick has little suction cups on it. Somebody must have bought it, opened it up, didn't want to do something with it or something, I don't know, and decided to return it. And they said, okay, we'll give you back your money. And now it's selling it in used condition. This is crazy. Somebody probably traded it in. Why the heck are you brand new stick? I'm assuming it's a trade-in. Maybe it's a return. I don't know. I don't even care. It's helping me out. Let me just see. Cool. Welcome to the cult of Razer. I'll gladly join the cult. I have no problem. Oh, snap! That's what the bottom part looked like. That part, I'm almost sure it's new. I'll click it open. The inside, the most important part. So let's see. Got my buttons. The wires look nice. Got a back top. I want to switch out the ball top. Have my wire. It's wrapped up right here. This box. Oh, I even got the screwdriver. Screwdriver here too. Yep. Where is it? Boom. So now I can use it if I want to take off my ball top. So I'm gonna start using it, get my 2 cents on it, and then I can create another video of my view of the Razer Fire Stick, and I'll let you guys know. Sorry I've been away for so long. Work and school, how a lot of things happen in life made things really difficult for me. I'll try to start putting up more videos. Alright, till next time, guys.